Imagine transforming your small business visuals from amateur to pro level almost overnight. No expensive designers, no complicated software, just you, your ideas, and the power of AI. Hey there, I'm Diane and welcome to Bring Your Own AI. Today, I'm about to show you how Leonardo AI is revolutionizing the way small businesses create stunning visuals. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to generate scroll-stopping images with simple prompts, the secret to brand consistent AI images that look like you, not everyone else, quick tricks to supercharge your marketing with AI-generated visuals. Whether you're a solopreneur, a growing local business, or just someone who's tired or struggling with design, this is your ticket to standing out in a crowded digital world. Ready to bring your own AI and level up your visual game? Let's dive in. Now, when we're in Leonardo, when we first log in, you'll see that this is up here, it's legacy mode. So this will show us the interface that I've been working with for a while now, which is basically the number of images, photoreal. And, this is the standard, or what it was considered standard interface for Leonardo. Now, when we take off legacy mode, it will take a minute, and then it'll kick into what is known, I guess what is now the new image generation or the interface. It's a little different because now it's based on intent rather than a particular model. So for example, let's take a look at what this is. These are the presets that it asks you first for. So for example, you wanted to do anime, if you want to do cinematic, if you want to actually do a portrait, or this is what would be, I guess the photorealism. These three are more photorealistic, and this one as well as four are the photorealistic ones. But do you want something more cinematic, or do you want something more of a portrait? So you get to choose what your intent is from the beginning. Your intent dictates the models you get access to. Here's an example. Say I wanted to do anime. So now we have the preset style of anime, background, flat, general, and all the others, right? So when we go down here and go into advanced settings, we see that we have diffusion. Anime XL is the default for anime. And then we have vision, albedo, and all the others. However, if we wanted to choose, for example, like vision, so we wanted to do something, photorealistic, Leonardo Vision now becomes the default. Leonardo Vision is great for photorealism, and we'll discuss that in another lecture. But you see lightning, anime is in there, but it's not the default. A single word can change how your render looks, how it feels, and the feelings it does give to the viewer. So let's take a look at this. I'm going to put in just a print, and just to show you. There again, we have something here. It's very stately. It looks like he's doing a portrait. It's very light, airy. You can see the different the perspectives here. So it's a good portrait. So let's go for warlock. Here we go. Menacing, deadly, a darker feel to the image. Warrior. A more serious image, ready for battle. It's a much stronger, it shows more strength, and it has a little bit of dignity to it. And also, it's a fantastic render. It's very detailed. So how you choose your words matters when you're doing a Leonardo prompt, so choose them wisely. But let me go back to what I was looking at here. Emotional portraits that convey a specific emotion or mood. 35-year-old man, dressed in board shorts and a t-shirt. Background, a tropical beach, emotional expression of intense sadness, depression, despondency. He looks towards the camera. Okay, let's see what this comes out with. Okay, he just looks upset, which I get. Okay, there's one more thing I want to put in here. Yelling. Okay, this is pretty cool. I'm liking this. I'm not liking this shirt, but that one, I think that one I can live with this. These two just seem kind of weird. But still, it's pretty cool. Yes. He's yelling at somebody. That looks pretty cool. So here I have a corporate type, or at least a poster that I wanted to create. And the theme here is that they're on a beach playing volleyball, apparently with multiple balls in some cases. And the caption reads, "Life's a beach, drink with coolant." I'm a Leonardo Phoenix, and that means that on auto, it will automatically improve the prompt. And Leonardo Phoenix is also very compliant, adherent to text and to the prompt itself. So just to show you the images, life's a beach, drink 𝗂𝗀𝗀. This one is actually pretty consistent. As you can see, life's a beach, drink 𝗂𝗀𝗀, and it's even got a little bit of a stylization in 𝗂𝗀𝗀. I did not ask it to do that, but apparently it did that, and that's great. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make a few tweaks with the edits of this particular picture. So say you wanted this to look a little bit more corporate, if you can have more corporate on a beach. So I would say make this more corporate. And again, it's using the fixed seed, so you will see the consistent characters be repeated in this update. So let's go ahead and run that. Okay. Teamwork makes the dream work, refresh with 𝗂𝗀𝗀. I did not, again, ask it for that. It came up with that on its own, and it's actually, in my opinion, more corporate. Everybody's kind of just having fun, and then it is teamwork makes the dream work, refresh with 𝗂𝗀𝗀. So it did come up with its own corporate slogan, and then make it this more luxurious. Great, so now we have life's indulge in 𝗂𝗀𝗀, and then it actually just uses the word indulge throughout. You can see the mansions in the background. It's like they're on probably Star Island, Miami. But it does adhere to that prompt, and it does change and I do like this particular one. It looks like it can actually just, 𝗂𝗀𝗀 apparently is now champagne, but this looks like something that you can work with. Now, again, let's go ahead and make it intense, just to see what it would do. Make it more intense. Okay. Let's go ahead and run that. Great. This is more intense, and it's actually the luxurious. Unleash the heat with 𝗂𝗀𝗀. So let me do one more quick tweak. And let's go change caption to unleash. I'm actually going to use a colon, and then I'm going to use quotation marks. Unleash the heat. Indulge with 𝗂𝗀𝗀. I'm just taking a couple of changes there. So go ahead. And again, here we made a change to the caption, and it complied. Unleash the heat, indulge with 𝗂𝗀𝗀. So again, you can change the intensity, you can change the luxury, you can change the feel of the image with edit with the AI, and you can also change the caption of the image to reflect your own brand logo, your old brand, basically. What we're going to do 3 simple layout examples of how businesses can really implement quick images from Leonardo into their everyday content. First, let me just say, the product that I'm going to be pitching is called arsenic pomade. That's right, arsenic pomade. Go with me. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a social media post. And in this case, since I'm going to do that, I'm going to do 1-to-1 ratio. And in this case, I'm going to do small, because small in this case is about 1344 squared, and I'm in quality, so it's going to be a little bit bigger. In this case, we're going to go a vibrant flat lay of arsenic pomade with lifestyle elements. So let's take a look and see how that looks. Great. Again, Phoenix is fantastic when it comes to lettering, so I mostly use that one for this. But you can take a look at the arsenic pomade right here. got the shaving, getting ready for that life-altering application. Great. Excellent. So next we're going to do like a bit of a cover art. So we're going to do 16:9 for this one. I'm going to keep it small. So this is something that you probably put in your Facebook cover or whatever it is, maybe even a Pinterest cover. And you can want to sit there and go, okay, we're going to do a clean, minimalist background featuring arsenic pomade or your product of choice. Let's see how this goes. Excellent. So it's very clean, like I said, very clean, minimalist of your product, arsenic pomade. And what you can do is you can just create the background and shift your item in there, or you can do an image to image, recreate your product in Leonardo, and then create around it. However you want to do it, it is there for you to try. So now you want to create like an email header with your brand colors. So in this case, I'm going to change this prompt to a beige and red, as brick red and beige color scheme. So it's just an eye-catching abstract design of that. So let's go ahead and run that. I did a couple of runs at the same time, and this is actually a pretty good, a nice brick red hue, and then contrasted with the beige, a warm beige. So this is something that you can definitely work with. If you wanted, you can add text to this, again, using image to image, or you can edit with AI and add text to it. So now that you have an idea of how to use Phoenix, go ahead, have fun with Leonardo, and enjoy the process, because believe me, it's only going to get better from here, and it's only going to get much more advanced from here. And I would love for you guys, if you have any questions, of course, put them in the comments, and I'll see you guys later.
Struggling with bland business visuals? Leonardo AI is your secret weapon. Our course reveals how to craft eye-catching graphics effortlessly, elevate your content, save hours, and wow your audience. Even design novices become visual pros. Learn the art of AI-powered visuals at bit.ly Leo4Biz.